and also our chairman of the board, Kagawad Eric Esta. So now, our third place for the amateur singing contest with the prizes of 1,000 pesos. Garnering average score of 95.3%. Congratulations! Contestant number 15, Mr. Jason Corpos from Pulangi, Albay. Please give a big round of applause, please. May we invite our board of judges and our barangay official to release our prizes. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Corpus. Let's come now for the second runner-up, second winner, second prize, garnering average score of 96.6%. Congratulations. Contestant number 9, Mr. Christopher Lau. Please give a big round of applause, please. May we invite again? With the prizes of 1,500 pesos. Let's go for the photo opportunity. Picture po kita.
Dyan, 500.
Thank you so much and congratulations, contestant number 9. And now, our champion for the singing or the amateur singing contest 2024 with the prizes of 2,000 pesos. Garnering average score of 97%. Congratulations!
Congrats. Third.
And Mr. Ricky Labrador. Please give a big round of applause, please, for a prizes of 2,000 pesos with a garnering average score of 97%. To the rest, please claim your consolation prize here after. May na po for picture taking.
Pogi. May pagkain na tayo. Kahit tayo sa nabuha po, taka naman kakain tayo.
Hindi mo na kumakain na buha ba?
Pupunta at tumigil ka. Aha, kasabi sa mga. Ay, kunin nyo na yung ano nyo.
Wow! Yabang ko!
Okay, please claim our consolation prize to our Barangay Kagawad, Barangay official here in front po.
Nakanalo, first time tayo sa Bohemian lang katapat. Barangay Kinalabasahan. Barangay Kinalabasahan. First taga dito, second si Tupi, bali Tupi. Third ako, Jason Corpus Channel, tigyo.